How to remove your email from DeepSeek. Hey everybody, I hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn, can we remove the email from DeepSeek? So if you're wondering and looking on how we can remove our email or if we can or not, in this video, we are going to exactly find out if we can remove the email from DeepSeek. So let's just get started. So first thing first, you can head over to DeepSeek account from either through the app or either through the website. I'm using the application. You can just go ahead and open it up, and once you open it up, you'll be finding a login page. Just go ahead and tap on it, and once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So what you can do is, when you find this interface, you can go ahead and tap on the horizontal lines at the top left corner, the two horizontal lines. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped, you'll be finding a chat history, but right now I don't have any chat history. So you can just go ahead and directly tap on your profile at the bottom left. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you'll be finding your account details here, including different options available. So in order to remove your email from DeepSeek, you would need to access your account settings with the DeepSeek platform and follow the process for deleting your account, as unfortunately we don't have the option of removing the email from DeepSeek account. So we need our email account compulsorily in order for the app to function properly. So in order to delete the account, you can just go ahead and look out for this option called delete account at the last option. And once tapped on it, you can go ahead and confirm this, like confirm the deletion of your account and follow in the prompts, and your account will be deleted. And along with that, your email address will also be removed from DeepSeek. So that is it. That is how you can remove your email address from DeepSeek for now by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.